I'm the founder and director of the Lancaster Creative Factory. It's a multimedia art center. We typically focus on ceramic classes and glass blowing classes for all ages, kids classes. We do outreach programming to the youth prison. We do mentally and physically challenged youth and adults as well. I heard about Excelsior because I knew CJ. I came to support and also find out what it's about and see how it might help. Wrists, more than anything. Hips, shoulders somewhat. I didn't even know I had a stiff back. So I've been doing pottery for 30 years, so I'm squeezing clay like this. And the other thing is I blow glass, so it's repetitive motion over and over again. In the past, in my life, I was very active. I was skateboarding. I've also played soccer, baseball, like street basketball. And then I played rugby for probably 10 years, taking plenty of spills and hitting my wrists a lot like that. Starting to feel things again and realizing I've got to do something more than what I've been doing. I like the results. You know, I could move better. I remember being here and I basically got some new hips and I stood up and I felt like I was gonna fall backwards, but it was more like I had more range in there. I remember, you know, sitting in my car and saying, who moved my seat rest up, you know? But it wasn't, I just was standing upright or sitting upright on my own. I do 3 Kinstretch classes a week because I recognize it's an hour of focused joint mobility, and I keep coming because I keep getting better. You know, my joints keep getting better. The connection gets better. You know, it can be challenging and frustrating, but it's worth it because you can move more, you have less pain. Doing the work now can help me 10 years, 5 years, 20 years down the road, where I might have had pain then, but I can avoid that by keeping mobile. I'm healthier and happier. What should I talk about?
Barbara Rhubarb shoes.
Kevin Lehman. Lehman. What was the question?
Explain how. Great.
Scott with 1 T. Scott's my middle name. Kevin Scott with 1 T Lehman. What if we both talk at the same time?
All right, Kevin.
Scott with 1 T. Do I gotta do test 1 2 1 2?
Yeah, I interrupt a lot.
I do 3 Kinstretch classes a day. A week. Sorry, I do 3 a day. Look out, I'm just putting in all the time.